नावेले सध्या उदकाचो थेंब ना. शिरवड्या सिवरेज लायन घालतना खंय उदकाची लायन फुटली. नावेलकारांक नेमके फेस्ताच्या दिसांनीच उदक ना जाला. दुसरे वटेन मडगांवां कांय वाठारांनी उदकाचे लायनीत सिवरेज घुशिल्ल्यान उदक वाट लागला. उदकाची लायन वखद मारून फ्लश करप चालू आशिल्ल्यान मडगांवां ठरावीक वाठारांतल्या लोकांनी 2 दीस नळाचें उदक वापरचें न्हय म्हण PWDन नोटीस काडल्या. नावेलेच्या लोकांनी शुक्रारा रस्तो आडायल्ल्यान उपजिल्लोधिकाऱ्यान मध्यस्थी केली. लोकांक सध्या टँकरांनी उदक दितात.
मडगांवां कांय वाठारांनी सध्या नळ आसूनय टँकरांतलें उदक पिवपाची पाळी लोकांचेर आयल्या. PWDच्यो पायपलायनी फुटून तातूंत गटाराचें उदक घुसलां. नावेले, पाजीफोंड, मालबाट, गांधी मार्केट वाठारांत कितलेशेच दीस जाले उदक ना. तिडकल्ल्या लोकांनी शुक्रारा रास्ता रोको केलें. प्रकरण निस्तारपाक थंय उपजिल्लोधिकारी पावली. PWD आनी लोकांक एकठांय घेवन ती उलयली.
आणि आमची लेबर चला फ्लशिंग चला आणि फ्लशिंग तिगे फाल्यां रिजल्ट कळटलो आणि मोस्टली रिजल्ट विल बी पॉझिटिव्ह. आफ्टर अप्रुवल ऑफ आमचे चीफ केमिस्ट ती चेक करतली आणि शील गिव अस ग्रीन सिग्नल देन वी आर गोइंग टू रिलीज द वॉटर.
आमी जे कितें एक्शन घेवपाक केल्ली रस्ता रोखत आमी विड्रॉ केला ताजे बरोबर आमकां प्रॉमिसीस केल्ले आसा ताणें की दे वील टेक द एप्रोप्रिएट एक्शन अगेन्स्ट द कल्प्रिट्स.
शिरवाड्या अंडरग्राउंड सिवरेज पायपलायन घालपाचें काम खंय कशें चल्लां. थंय पायपलायन फुटली. काम चलता त्या सुवातीर खंय नजर दवरूंक इंजिनियरूय आसना. कामगारांचे भरवशाचेर कारभार चल्ला. सिवरेज उदकाचे लायनीत गेल्ल्यान उदकाची वाट लागल्या. 2 दीस लोकांनी नळाचें उदक वापरचें न्हय म्हूण आतां PWDन लोकांक नोटीस काडल्या. तो मेरेन लोकांक नळ आसूनय उदक टँकरांनी. प्रुडंटा खातीर सावयो डायस.
भारतांतले वेगवेगळे खेळगडे बरी कामगिरी करतात आनी येता त्या ऑलिंपिक्सांत तांचेकडच्यान आदलो ऑलिंपिक मेडलिस्ट राज्यवर्धन राठोडाक मेडलांची आस्त आसा. सध्या मोदी सरकारांत राज्यमंत्री आशिल्ल्या राठोडान खेळां मंत्री सर्वानंद सोनोवालाची तोखणाय केल्या. राठोड इफीच्या उक्तावणाक म्हण गोंयांत आयिल्लो. प्रुडंटाचो खेळा संपादक नीरज प्रभू कडेन तो उलयलो.
I have with me Colonel Rajyavardhan Singh Rathore, the silver medalist from the Athens Olympics.
India has tremendous potential and in all sports, in specific badminton, boxing, wrestling, shooting, hockey, some of the athletic events, we're doing very well. Squash players have started doing very well. It's all a question about opportunity. Also, there is space for every sport to grow, and there is a place in the heart of the Indians for every sports person and every sport. And so therefore the audience and the support that is given now, and the corporate sector which is now coming in, also the government is supporting in a big way. Indian sports is bound to look up ahead.
Which sport gives you a warm feel that India can achieve more in the upcoming Olympics?
Well, I feel good about any performance which is wherein the sports persons have put in their heart and soul into the game. But of course, when we win in hockey, there's a sense of team, there's a sense of national pride. Also, I believe that sports like boxing and wrestling are going to do well at the Olympics. Shooting will continue to do well as well. Also, other sports like badminton are looking up.
From being a sports star to being a politician, this is a journey that can be an iconic journey, and people would look up to you to achieve what you have achieved in sports. So what's your vision now that you are in politics? What's your vision for India with respect to sports?
See, I feel all of us Indians, whichever field we may be in, if we work towards our national objective of getting India to do well and put in our sincere effort, then we are all bound to grow. The nation grows and we also grow. That's been my motive all through. As regards specific to sports, of course, we have the sports minister Sarbanand ji, and he's very enthusiastic. He's very open to ideas. His focus right now, because of the Prime Minister's focus, is Northeast, developing sports in Northeast. And just by his presence in the ministry, the sportsmen feel that there is an ease of access to him, which is brilliant.
One specific advice you have given to a sports minister?
Now, the sports minister is a very capable man. He knows exactly what is to be done in sports, and we all, the various members of parliament or ministers, are all there for each other. whichever field, whichever ministry we may be looking after. This is what is special about Modi ji's Council of Ministers, that we all are there for each other, because the objective is one, to get the nation to do well.
इतल्यान हे खबराचित्र हांगाच सोंपता. नमस्कार.
तुम्ही पळयतात प्रुडंट. यू आर वॉचिंग प्रुडंट.